Our world is quite old. Many incredible forces have created and shaped our planet for millions and billions.
Before we start, just another reminder to wear a mask inside all time. Thank you. Have you guys seen the name that we gave to our pavilion outside?
Campus Germany.
Campus, good job. Yes, Campus Germany. It's a place of learning, of meeting, of new ideas, of creativity. And because it's a campus, I will be your professor for the day, and I will show you what everything's about. So welcome to Campus Germany, and let me show you our world.
Our world is quite old. Many incredible forces have created and shaped our planet for millions and billions of years. When, all of a sudden, life began. And life set out to evolve through countless iterations, full of little successes, and all changing accidents. Until, at some point, we came along. Seemingly within the blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet ourselves, fitting it best to our needs. Which is why we call this era the Anthropocene, the age of humankind. We protect the biodiversity. And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and immerse yourself in 100,000 ideas for a better future.
Ay, ito na yung... Let you go there,
If you want to go into the vault, please take off your shoes. We have shelves on the left side.
Okay.
Over here.
Careful, ate. Style.
playground like this, right? Your toys is there inside.